welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be teaching you how to make a DIY bath bomb, and make sure to keep watching to find out who the notification winner is. It may be you. Let's get right to it. The materials you need for this bath bomb is Epsom salt, a scent or food dye, a spoon or different utensil, a cup of water, baking soda, a mold, and clear plastic wrap. Let's get started. The first step is to pour your cup of water into your Epsom salt. And then use your spoon or different utensil and mix. And it should look clear like this. The next step is to add your scent or food dye, and add about 2 to 3 drops of this. And you can add more if you want your scent to be stronger. The next step is to add in your baking soda. And if you need to, you can add in more of your food dye or color if you need to. The next step is to get your mold and put some of your mixture into your mold. And you're gonna wanna make sure you fill it up to the top, just like this. And you can use the back of your spoon or different utensil and smooth it out, just like this. And repeat that process until you fill up all the molds. The final step is to get your plastic wrap and place it on top, just like this, and fold it in the bottom. And now you can wait about 2 to 4 days until your molds are completely dried. Now you can take your plastic wrap off your mold. Just like this. And now you can slowly take your bath bomb out of your mold. And your bath bomb should look something like this. I hope you enjoyed this video, and the notification winner is Line Arts Studio. And if you want a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and comment down below, done. Thanks for watching. Bye!